Hazrat Aisha Siddiqa raziyallahu ta'ala anha narrated that once the Prophet ﷺ brought a prisoner to my house, I became heedless while sitting with the woman, and he went out and slipped away. Later, when he came back, he asked, "Where is the prisoner?" I replied, "He ran away." The Prophet ﷺ said, "May Allah curse you. You were given the responsibility to guard him, and yet you let him escape." Then the Prophet ﷺ went out and announced among the people that the prisoner had escaped. They searched for him, caught him, and brought him back. When the Prophet ﷺ came to me, I was looking at my hands. He asked, "What has happened to you?" I replied, "You said, 'May Allah curse you.' And I was wondering whether I could remain as one of the Prophet's wife after being cursed by him." The Prophet ﷺ said, "You are not like that. You are not one of those who let the people be cursed." After that, the Prophet ﷺ asked for water, performed ablution, and then raised his hands, saying, "O Allah, make her hands like the hands of the people." So I turned my hands out and looked at them, and behold, they were sound. Musnad Ahmad Hadith number 23169.